Woo! This is Billy. Right now I am on one of the most beautiful lakes in Quebec, Canada that I really love. Ah man, I love to be here. It's about 45 minutes drive from home, so it's not too far to, to wilderness close to home. On this video, guys, I'm just gonna make a fire. I'm gonna get some water from the lake and I'm gonna enjoy myself a bit and sharing you guys, wow, the scenery. All right, now I've got my wood just right here, ready to make a fire, to build a fire very soon. But before that, I need some water. And well, guys, I really wanted to try this. I got it from my sponsor, Princess Auto. Yes, again. I've got a very generous sponsor, guys, this year. Really appreciate, guys. I'm very happy with it because I get a chance to try different things like this one. It's Ice Chisel, as you can see, guys. Just to make sure, guys, if you want to get one and try it, get some glasses, guys. Pieces of ice just goes everywhere and sometimes can hit the eye. So always wear this. Oh, there we go. Water. Oh, look at this, guys. Isn't it great? Woohoo! Hey. Oh. Got we got tea. Oh man, this is great. So that was Billy, guys, in the wilderness. Well, making a fire on logs. digging a hole for water on the lake, frozen lake, and just enjoying myself just here, wow, in the woods. Hey guys, thanks a lot for watching. As always, thank you so much for your comment and everything. And well, don't forget, sub to my channel and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. See you next time for another video. Take care guys, bye bye.